just here to do the job. I ain't worried about organizing my closet. I don't really care what it looks like. Ain't nobody gonna inspect or nothing. Hey, you got any hand soap? I'm out.
I just can't throw these away. These are toilet paper or anything. I mean, I got to put them on my shelf in my closet. I might need it one of these days or something. I mean, I got some that's been in there for 20 years, but I just can't throw them away. I just can't help myself. I just gotta have all my bottles and the writings turned the same way. It just bugs me. If it's not, it just bugs me.
I gotta go out there to the supply room and get me some stock. I'm about out of everything. I ain't got what I ever need, but I ain't got nothing in my closet. Not a thing. Doggone it.